Hello, New School Beyblade here, and today I'm doing a short little unboxing video. Finally got Beyblade X, UX, Shadow, Shinobi, 180, but yeah. Got this guy at GameStop. What's the guy, got an extra one for Buster. So yeah. Oh, where's my... Okay, sorry, I did get a knife. But yeah, this will be really fun to skip the Hasbro stuff. I do have a few, once you see this, there should be multiple videos coming out. Multiple more unboxing videos. So yeah. Just be aware of that, guys. Oh, shit. It's a standard booster, so... Ow. There. Ah. There we go. A gorgeous bay. Here's the QR code. Yeah, this is definitely gonna be a shorter video. Okay. Okay, there's the 180 and Magneto. Yeah. Hopefully I can get some more of the Hasbro stuff. Yeah. Definitely really cool for Wave 4. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this, and goodbye.